DropCourse has positioned itself in 2025 as a promising platform for aspiring digital entrepreneurs, especially those looking to launch an online course business without starting from scratch. It offers a collection of pre-built, white-labeled courses complete with video lessons, worksheets, and social media content. The idea is simple. You get everything you need to start selling courses under your own brand, including AI tools like automated instructors and chatbots. This convenience is a major selling point for beginners who don't have the time or skills to create an entire course from the ground up. However, despite the sleek presentation and bold claims, DropCourse has stirred mixed reactions. Many users on platforms like Trustpilot have praised its simplicity and usefulness, with some claiming to earn money within the first week of launching. They appreciate the ready-made content and smooth integration with tools like Canva and 11 Labs. For those who thrive on structure and want to focus on marketing rather than content creation, DropCourse seems to deliver on its core promise. On the flip side, several watchdog sites and critical reviews raise red flags about the platform. Users have reported difficulty canceling their subscriptions or accessing refunds, especially after the free trial period. Additionally, there's a noticeable lack of transparency about who runs the platform, and some of the marketing language feels too good to be true, offering 100% profits and no experience required may sound appealing, but it also invites skepticism. In the world of online business, such claims often require a closer look. Ultimately, DropCourse might be worth it if you're someone who wants a fast, plug-and-play solution to get into the online course market and you're okay with paying for convenience. But if you prefer more control, transparency, or want to avoid platforms with mixed reputations, it might be better to explore alternatives or build your course from scratch. As always, read the fine print, test the platform carefully during the trial, and decide based on your long-term goals.